If he does this, he is not your soulmate. He's a lesson. Run. Number one, the potential. You see him as someone who's got his life right. You know he's going to go in the right places and do the right things. He's always a work in progress. He's telling you how he's locked in and he's going to achieve all these things, and you just have to support him. All he's asking you is your support. But it comes at a cost of your downfall. What's very important to his success is you constantly sacrificing your happiness and adjusting to his needs. Babe, it'll happen. Just wait for me. You do all the work in the relationship. You plan, you do the things while you're waiting for him to match up to you. He will never match up to you. Go find your own match and leave this man who's put you on a pedestal till he finds his dream girl. He's going to use your labor to impress that woman. Number two, the future faker. It's the thought that counts, right? He almost got you flowers. He almost did that thing for you. He did want to go on a date, but he forgot to tell you that. He's always promising but never delivering. He's a promiser, not a committer. He almost did it, but you did it anyway, so he was just waiting. This man is going to drive you impatient and crazy, and you will be blaming yourself because he almost did it. He's going to create all these fake scenarios and sell you the future while taking from you in the present. Your energy, your love, your emotions, and everything you can do for him. Because he almost was going to do it, but now you've ruined everything. Number three, the people pleaser. He is so neutral with everyone that he has to be friends with his ex. He has to be friends with the girl you hate. He has to be friends with his guys who are homophobic and racist and are borderline abusers because he didn't have a fight with him and he doesn't have a problem with anyone. If you ever expect loyalty from a people pleaser, he will show you exactly how he'll leave you for them. 4. The fix you. He sees you as a project where he wants the outer part of you, but he doesn't like you really. He tries to mold you into the girlfriend he wants. He'll do everything to turn you into his dream girlfriend. Because currently, you are what he can afford right now. He'll tell you his preferences and he'll make you change your hair, the way you dress, the way you do your makeup, and you will be forever adjusting yourself to match to his whims. He sees you as a project that needs a lot of polishing. He doesn't like the way you speak, he doesn't like your accent, he doesn't think you're educated enough, and his parents can totally not meet you because he's so embarrassed of you. He loves you, but he hates being seen in public with you. You should never be with a partner who's not proud of you. Let him find someone he actually wants. And the last one, the fix him. He's always looking for a mommy to do the things for him or a manic pixie dream girl who he can steal his next personality from. He's fixated with the idea of how cool you are. He wants to be like you, but he can't really, so he expects you to do everything for him and make him like you. He's always going to make you work. He is the most laziest type of guy. From the work to the slack to the money to the relations, social life, friendship, he's completely dependent on you, and you have to groom him into the better version of him, which he will never change. Keep trying, but you can never build a man. The moment you fix him even a little bit, his ego shoots so high he thinks he can do better than you, and then he will go on looking for his next mommy. For dating is to either find your match or grow together. One person should be carrying the relationship slack while the other just chills. Don't fall into promises. It's a partnership. It's a group project. You cannot change anyone, you cannot fix anyone, but all you can do is control how you react. The best way to disappoint yourself is to go for someone you don't really like but adjust and accommodate all the time, because you will build resentment. People rarely change. So find someone who actually matches you and is what you want, or till then be single. Don't waste your time, because that's quickly how you get over love and never believe in it again. Comment if I missed any category of guy, or if you have personal stories or lessons that you want us to know.